very engaging, very unique personality who's just really a pleasure to be able to just sit there and absorb from. This isn't just like a PowerPoint presentation that you're just reading slides the whole time. It's very engaging and is going to give you the tools and the things necessary you need to even look like you belong in the new home sales industry.
And this is one of the best sales training courses, one of the best training courses that I've attended in my entire life. Bill is very, very knowledgeable. He relates to the material and to the participants in the class. He uses real-world experiences as examples and allegories to teach the material and to kind of drive home the principles that he's teaching and how they are used in practical real-life experiences. Again, one of the best training sessions that I've ever been in, and I would encourage anybody that is interested in going into new home sales to take the New Home Sales Unlimited course from Highland Bay.
And thank you, Bill. You're an incredibly eloquent speaker. I was captivated start to finish. It's definitely not easy to put a bunch of adults in a room together and make them focus for 8 hours, but he was incredibly captivating.
Yes, we know we were your favorite class.
And we were your favorite 2 students, goes without saying.
Exactly. We definitely are a sponge, and we have taken everything you had to teach us, and we're super excited to go forth and conquer and make you proud.
Mm-hmm.
The class, the 3-day workshop, is probably the best investment you can make for new home sales and in real estate in general, because it just informs you so much about sales.
Taking a 3-day new home sales training, and I feel it's extremely beneficial. Learning a ton of information, a plethora of information from the great Bill Melchior. And he's definitely got years of experience. I love it. I recommend it. Sign up early for the early bird discount special if you're interested. And yes, I don't make profits on this, and not even a 1% sales commission, but it's definitely a wealth of knowledge to have. Excellent class. So far, day 2, gonna rate it a 10 out of 10. Thank you.
I just want to give a little testimonial of how fantastic this course is. We're finishing up today, so I'm still in the process of the course, but it's been absolutely fantastic. One thing that I love about Bill, one, he's filled with tons of knowledge. He paces the course really well, and it's definitely a very holistic program. So you don't just get little pieces of the sales process, and he keeps it updated. So for me in California, I've seen how sales has changed to really trying to connect with buyers and sellers and bring tons of value, and Bill does a fantastic job of that.